Mr. Samuel Leeds!
You're only going to be mind blown. That's how I'm going to put it.
Samuel's just an amazing ball of energy.
Samuel's great. He's very, very passionate. He's got a massive heart. He loves teaching and seeing successful people, and he's very sort of in there, getting it done, and let's just get this done no matter what. No barriers, let's get it done.
Just spend 2 days of your life and just come and do it, and then see different options and probably change your thinking and just go for it.
The time invested here is going to pay you back in the future if you listen to what you have heard, if you put the tools into use and what you've heard into action, then it will pay you back in time and in money.
If you never try coming to the crash course, you'll never know what will change your life. You could be thinking, what would have happened if I didn't go, 10 years down the line. Someone's life could have changed, but your life would still remain the same.
Samuel does a pretty outstanding job, and I think the selflessness of him doing the course for people like myself for free, and it is for free, there's no catches or anything behind it. It is genuinely 2 days of his time giving back to everybody, which is pretty phenomenal.
There's zero to lose, but there's just an empowerment, this course, let alone a set of new knowledge. It genuinely is empowering. You meet some great people. I can't say enough.
The value of what you're going to get from here, it has the potential to change your life, to be honest.